Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. If you find IELTS difficult, if you strongly believe that you are not going to be able to get your desired band in IELTS, and if you are thinking about quitting IELTS and you want to give up on your dreams of going abroad, then this video is exactly for you. Well, guys, let me tell you, we always pay the price, right? So, we pay the price of whatever we do in life. We face the music of our actions. Sometimes that music is good, sometimes that music is bad, right? So, facing the music, actually, that depends on your actions. Whatever you are today, it's because of what you did or did not do in the past. Your past has formulated your present, and whatever you do or do not do at present, that will formulate your future, and then life will be changed. Okay, now if I look at Asad Yaqub model 2025 and Asad Yaqub model 2015, both models are entirely different. Asad Yaqub 2015 model and 2025 model, within a decade, I have been through a lot of transformations and changes and all that stuff, and these adaptations have actually helped me formulate what I am today, right? So let me tell you, if your destination is a foreign country, like you want to go to UK, I want you to type your destination country, whatever it is, right? UK, Canada, Australia, or any other country, wherever you want to go to, you have to pay the price for your future. And the price is not money. Money is one of the prices that we pay for material goods. This price is effort. This price is continuous effort, right? Those who continue. I've been teaching IELTS for around 20 years now. I started my career as a spoken English teacher, and even today I am in. It's not that I left my profession and now I own a mobile shop or I run a grocery store now. Not at all. So continuous effort in one direction. When water drops on a stone, after some time, even there is a hole in the stone. So IELTS is that stone. And the drops of water, that is your effort. And then this stone is going to dissolve in water and you will be able to crack IELTS. As the drops of water, continuous drops of water, they crack the stone. Your continuous effort is going to enable you to crack IELTS without any problem. Now, first remember, you need to go in the right direction. Sometimes because we are misguided, we are misled by people, and we fail to achieve our goal. So you're not going to be misguided by anybody or any institution. You need to be clear what it takes to improve. Remember, if your direction is correct, then you will reach your destination. And if your destination is here, your direction is here, you will never reach there. And this will take more effort. So effort in the wrong direction takes more energies. Effort in the right direction, and after little energies, everything is going to be smooth, and then you will need less energy to achieve your goals, right? Start your IELTS preparation with listening. Every morning when you wake up, even without breakfast or tea, you can have your listening test, right? And for listening, we have made this wonderful website, asadyaqub.com, asadyaqub.com, and there we have 32 listening tests, 32 reading tests, and you can practice. Although you need to subscribe for that with a little administration fee, you can subscribe and you can practice. Then once your listening is over, just do the debriefing of your test. Out of 40, 30 answers correct, 10 answers incorrect. Why my 10 answers are incorrect? And what is the right answer? So once you are going to investigate into your mistakes, every time the number of mistakes that you make, they will be lesser than before. And then your IELTS listening will be mistake-free, means 9 band. Now let's talk about reading. In reading, initially when you start, just see how many answers are correct and observe the time as well, how much time you take. to answer these questions. And once you manage to find the correct answers, and for that I would advise you to follow my videos. I have made a wonderful study plan for IELTS preparation. If you cannot join my classes because you're busy, we have a study plan. In the study plan, there are some private lessons where you will solve full test with me, full reading test with me, full listening test with me. Step by step, you will understand each and everything. So gradually, time management, number of correct answers, and investigation into wrong answers will take you towards your destination. And finally, if you talk about writing, read, that you become a writer. All the good writers are good readers. All the good authors, they've been very good readers in the past and they continue to read as well. So whatever you want to write, read. You want to write essay, read essays. You want to write reports, read reports. You want to write letters, read love letters of others. You will enjoy more. Okay, so this is how you can improve gradually. And finally, if we talk about speaking, IELTS listening will prepare you for speaking. If you listen to the audios of listening parts 1, 2, 3, 4 in depth, and the volume should be higher than your comfortable level. If you're comfortable with volume 10, make it 12, so that these sounds of English go into your head and you'll be fine. And let me tell you, in the future, there will be a point of time where you will be sipping your favorite tea, coffee or drink, and you would be thinking that once upon a time I was a candidate of IELTS, I was a student of IELTS, I worked hard, and now today I am in Canada, I am in UK, I've achieved my dreams and things are better for me. So that point will come if your efforts are there, if your continuous efforts are there, and difficulties will come. Difficulties are the part of success, essential part of success. Now today, if you guys see me as a successful person, there are 1999 failures which I've hidden from you. You can't see them. I know my failures, right? I established many IELTS coaching centers and closed them. I changed different jobs. I went to different institutions and, at times they fired me and sometimes I fired them. So all those failures are there. So behind your IELTS success, there are going to be several failures, and inshallah, you're going to come out triumphantly and you'll be very, very successful. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I want you to write your mission statement in the comment. What is your mission? What is your desire? What is your goal? And I would read your desire, goal or mission, and I'm going to give you a heart and a like as well. Okay, all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends or in your community as well. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you want to join my online or in campus classes, you can contact me on WhatsApp and I'll give you all the details. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. I wish you the visa of your desired country within the next 2 or 3 months, inshallah. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.